In my previous video on the DJI Mavic 3, we reported what the rumored prices were, and being that they came from a DJI resellers portal, they should be pretty accurate. They were as follows: the Mavic 3, $2,049 US. The Mavic 3 Fly More Combo, $2,799 US. And the Mavic 3 Cine Premium Combo, $4,649 US. However, recently on Twitter, the expected prices for mainline China were leaked from a reputable source. The following prices have been converted to their US equivalent from Chinese prices. The Mavic 3, $2,037 US. The Mavic 3 Fly More Combo, $2,663 US. And the Mavic 3 Cine Premium Combo, $5,013 US. Even though these numbers are still close to the original predictions, unfortunately they have actually went up. I guess we'll see next week on release day. If you like this video and you want to see more, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below on what you'd like to see or what you think on these new price changes. Thanks for watching, everybody.